What if Ford brought back one of the most legendary cars in automotive history and made it faster, smarter, and more aggressive than ever before? The 2027 Ford GT40 is generating massive excitement across the automotive world. From American muscle car fans to supercar enthusiasts in the UK, Canada, and Australia, everyone seems to be talking about this machine. But why? Is it the breathtaking design, the race-inspired engineering, or the possibility that Ford could once again challenge Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche? The new GT40 promises stunning performance, cutting-edge technology, and design that pays tribute to one of the greatest racing legends ever built. But here's the real question. Can it actually live up to the hype? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2027 Ford GT40, including its design, performance, horsepower, acceleration, interior, technology, expected fuel economy, potential pricing, and whether this legendary nameplate is finally ready to dominate the supercar world once again. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because the rumored price tag of this machine might surprise you. The GT40 name carries enormous weight in the automotive world. Even decades after the original car shocked the racing world, enthusiasts still speak about it with admiration. It wasn't just another sports car. It was a symbol of ambition, determination, and engineering excellence. It represented a moment when Ford set out to challenge the best in the world and succeeded. That's exactly why the possibility of a modern GT40 instantly captures attention. People aren't simply looking at another expensive performance car. They're looking at a machine connected to one of the most famous stories in motorsport history. And if the rumors surrounding the 2027 model are even partially true, Ford may be preparing something very special. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. This car looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Every curve appears intentional. Every vent serves a purpose. Every angle communicates speed. The front end sits incredibly low to ground, creating an aggressive stance that immediately reminds you this is no ordinary vehicle. The sleek LED headlights give the car a futuristic appearance, while still respecting proportions that made the original GT40 so iconic. Moving along the side profile, the bodywork flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a shape that appears fast even when standing still. Massive air intakes feed cooling air into the powertrain, while helping improve aerodynamic efficiency. The rear of the vehicle is perhaps the most dramatic area. A wide stance, aggressive diffuser, and race-inspired details create a visual presence that rivals some of the most exotic supercars on the market today. The result is a vehicle that would attract attention whether parked outside a luxury hotel in London, cruising through downtown Toronto, rolling along Australia's coastal highways, or arriving at a car meet in California. But looking fast is one thing. Actually being fast is something completely different. And this is where enthusiasts become truly excited. While Ford has not officially revealed a production-ready 2027 GT40, many automotive insiders believe the car would likely use an advanced performance-oriented powertrain designed to deliver extraordinary acceleration and track capability. Imagine a highly tuned twin-turbocharged engine paired with modern hybrid technology. The combination could provide explosive power delivery while maintaining impressive efficiency compared to traditional supercars. Some projections suggest output could exceed 800 horsepower. Think about that for a moment. More than 800 horsepower in a lightweight, aerodynamically optimized machine. That kind of performance could allow the GT40 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. For perspective, that's territory occupied by some of the fastest and most expensive vehicles on Earth. Top speed estimates also generate excitement. Many enthusiasts believe a modern GT40 could comfortably exceed 200 miles per hour, placing it among the elite performance machines available anywhere in the world. But numbers alone don't create legends. What matters is how a car makes you feel. The original GT40 became famous because it connected driver and machine in a way that few vehicles could. A modern version would need to preserve that spirit. Fortunately, that's exactly what enthusiasts hope Ford understands. Rather than focusing solely on luxury, the GT40 would likely prioritize driver engagement. Imagine sitting low inside a cockpit designed around performance. Every control position exactly where you need it. Every display focused on delivering useful information. Every surface reminding you that this machine was built to drive. The steering would need to feel precise. The brakes would need to inspire confidence. The chassis would need to communicate every movement of the road beneath you. In an era where many performance cars rely heavily on electronic assistance, a true GT40 would need to deliver an authentic driving experience that rewards skill and confidence. And that could become one of its greatest strengths. Yet speed and handling are only part of the story. Modern buyers expect advanced technology as well. If Ford introduces a new GT40, expect a sophisticated digital cockpit, premium materials, advanced driver information systems, customizable driving modes, and performance telemetry designed for both road and track use. Connectivity features would almost certainly be included, allowing owners to integrate smartphones, navigation, and vehicle performance data seamlessly. This balance between heritage and innovation could help the GT40 appeal to both longtime enthusiasts and younger buyers entering the supercar market. Now, let's talk about something many viewers are wondering: fuel economy. Obviously, nobody buys a supercar because they're looking for outstanding fuel efficiency. However, hybrid technology can help improve overall consumption compared to traditional high-performance vehicles. Depending on the final powertrain configuration, estimates suggest fuel economy could land somewhere between 20 and 30 miles per gallon under normal driving conditions. That may not sound revolutionary, but for a vehicle capable of supercar performance, it would represent a significant achievement. Of course, if you're using all 800-plus horsepower regularly, don't expect those numbers to remain anywhere near the official estimates. Performance always comes at a cost. And speaking of cost, let's discuss the topic everyone has been waiting for: price. This is where things become especially interesting. A vehicle carrying the GT40 name would never be inexpensive. The heritage alone guarantees exclusivity. Add advanced engineering, cutting-edge materials, hybrid performance technology, and limited production numbers, and you have the ingredients for a very expensive machine. Industry speculation suggests pricing could begin somewhere around $250,000 and potentially climb beyond $500,000, depending on specifications and production volume. Yes, that's serious money. But consider the competition: Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghini, Porsche. Many vehicles in this category already command similar prices. And unlike many competitors, the GT40 carries a story that resonates deeply with enthusiasts around the world. Exclusivity could become another major factor. Ford would likely keep production numbers relatively low. That means demand could quickly exceed supply. Collectors would pay attention. Investors would pay attention. Enthusiasts would pay attention. And the automotive media would certainly pay attention. The result could be one of the most sought-after performance cars of the decade. Perhaps that's why so many people can't stop talking about it. The GT40 represents more than horsepower. It represents heritage. It represents innovation. It represents the idea that legendary names can still inspire excitement in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. Whether you're a lifelong Ford fan, a supercar enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates great automotive design, the possibility of a modern GT40 is difficult to ignore. And if Ford successfully combines the spirit of the original with modern technology and world-class performance, the 2027 GT40 could become one of the most important performance cars of its generation. The question now is simple: can Ford actually deliver a machine worthy of the GT40 name? If they can, the world's biggest automotive brands may have a serious new competitor to worry about. And honestly, that's exactly why car enthusiasts across America, Britain, Canada, Australia, and beyond simply can't stop talking about the 2027 Ford GT40. If you could choose only one supercar for your garage, would it be the 2027 Ford GT40, a Ferrari, a McLaren, or a Porsche? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury and performance car review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.